Khumulwng Press Club Team A and Team B has shocked and impressed all the press club team across the state with their football skills and tremendous match, even though they could not be the champion in the match. Krishanu Debarma from Khumulwng Press Club A team received the Best Striker Award of the Interstate Knockout Football Tournament organized by Agartala Press Club. One-day Interstate Knockout Football Tournament was organized by Agartala Press Club on Sunday at Khudiram English Medium School ground. First match of the tournament was between Agartala Press Club B team versus Khumulwng Press Club A team. Khumulwng Press Club A team won the match by scoring 2 goals against Agartala Press Club. Likewise, Khumulwng Press Club reached to the semi-final by defeating Khoi Press Club with 2 goals again. Further, Bilonia Press Club have defeated Dharmanagar Press Club with 1 goal and reached to semi-final.
Khumulwng Press Club 2 goal by Kaplayingka Agartala Press Club B team no mesan garakha.
Bahai matong Press Club inga bai ke thngai mungrok narak mani.
Lagan bakas na ngosung to sumsuma thngnai player ya. Wasu asumsa haino thngnani phekya onek bisini salo. Bakas rango srapsani bla.
Obon porebot Khumulwng B team
final team ma thngnai abo bahai janu sai
Khoi Press Club bai.
Khoi Press Club bai. Abo bakas rangjak abongno mesanan bagai 100% try khaine.
Kaplaying nani bagai ekdom
100% khaklai kaplayingan.
First round 2 goal by Pekia, tabak second round 1 goal.
Sabai thanglai mani.
Khumulwng Press Club by Agartala Press Club Pulyani. Second inge Khoi Press Club by sini second place.
Mana duja team tabak final kai.
Duja team tabak final. Dol by dol tab silai.
However, Khumulwng Press Club A team was not able to defeat Agartala Press Club A team at the semi-final because they hired the players from outside. Likewise, Bilonia Press Club also reached to the final after defeating Dharmanagar Press Club team. The Agartala Press Club has won the title by scoring 2-1 goals in the final match and become the champion. In the end, the members of the Agartala Press Club has given the award to the champions and runner-up. Similarly, Rahul Goswami from Dharmanagar Press Club received the man of the tournament title. Suman Saha from Agartala Press Club received Best Goalkeeper title. Krishanu Debarma from Khumulwng Press Club received Best Striker title. Nihar Ranjan Saha from Bilonia Press Club received Best Midfielder title and Sujit Ghosh from Agartala Press Club received Best Defender award. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.